Connecting. Oh, there we go. Let's see if I get this better. Hey guys, I am live in my rainforest, and I just wanted to share that with you. Those who get on later without the live button, please put hashtag replay in the comments and where you're tuning in from. Would love to know where you're from. This is my island in Alaska, and I'm in my rainforest. And so I wanted to give you a beautiful view of the rainforest here. And the crazy thing is with this rainforest, it's called like the crown jewel. And the reason why it's called that is a Tongass rainforest, it's 17 million acres. Can you imagine? Now this rainforest is a little different than what you normally think of as a rainforest, because there's like two types of rainforest. There's the, hey, welcome, thanks for getting on. Let me know where you're tuning in from. There's a tropical rainforest, and then there's the temperate rainforest. This is a temperate rainforest, which is along the coastline of Alaska and actually goes all the way to California. So it's incredible. It is actually the luscious vegetation on the planet. And I believe it, because the floor of this rainforest around me, the lush stuff that's growing is like taller than me. And you can see it behind me, and it's just, let me know where you're tuning in from. Would love to hear from you. Oh, thanks guys, thank you. See, I'll swipe that way. I'm trying to get your comments. I don't see them right this minute, but I sure appreciate you getting on. Anyway, this is a temperate rainforest, which means, hey, thanks for joining me, Jenny. Thank you. Good to have you here. I'm actually standing in my rainforest. Where are you tuning in from?
Luscious in the nation.
Luscious vegetation. It's on the planet, really. And the crazy thing is it's the nation's largest rainforest as well. So I get the privilege, I'm so blessed to be able to get up and walk this rainforest trail. It's like a circle kind of, and it's really fun. And I wrote, oh, from the UK, cool. Well, thanks for joining me. I sure appreciate it, Jenny. That's awesome. Oh, thank you. Yes, I just love walking in here every morning, which is what I actually do. There's actually 17 million acres of this rainforest. There's 70,000 people that live in this rainforest and along the coast. And it really does feel kind of magical and mysterious when I walk through it, because there's streams and water, and then the growth is incredible. So I just wanted to do my little live here out on the rainforest so people could see. That's actually, this is one of the stats that just blows my mind. There's actually an average of 500 tons of living things per acre in this rainforest I live in. I'm one of the 70,000, something like that. So it's pretty incredible. I'm really thankful for that. Yeah, I know. I just couldn't believe it when I saw that stat. It's just, and so, you know, where I live, there's so much to do. You know, you can go bear watching, which I did that. That was amazing. You can go on a train ride. You can do saltwater fishing, a big halibut hanging up, right? And hiking, and it's just kayaking. You can do kayaking, and one of my favorites is whale viewing as well. You can ride the ferry, which I did that too. It's just a wonderful place, and I feel so blessed to live here right now. I've only been here not quite a year, so I'm exploring and enjoying and having a grand time in my rainforest, and I'm just so happy that I can have this to walk, because I love to walk. I'm an avid walker in the morning, and so it is really fun to be able to walk every day in this rainforest, except weekends. I take the weekend off, even though kind of draws me to it, because it's just so amazing. I've never had a place like this to walk in, so thankful for that. It is just so beautiful and just wonderful, and I just wanted to be able to share my rainforest with you and show you what it looks like and tell you a little info about it, because Alaska has some incredible things, and this is one of them, this incredible rainforest. And I'm very happy to be here and share this with you guys. And I also have this webinar tonight, which I put in my description, that I want to invite you to at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can sign up on my link above and register for it tonight. I made, well, today I got a notification of $150, and 2 days ago I got another notification of $50. All of that will go in my bank on Friday. We've paid out $50,000 in 1 week in this program, and so it's, you definitely don't want to miss the webinar tonight. So I want to invite you there tonight, and I just thankful I can be on and be here, and thankful for Jenny for being on from the UK. That's awesome. It's beautiful there, I'm sure, as well. And I just love sharing and being able to chat with you guys a few minutes. It's a blessing to me, and so I just want to hope and invite you to my webinar tonight. And it is amazing that we actually don't focus on selling, which is pretty cool. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Jenny. You're so bright, so sweet of you. Yeah, we don't focus on selling, which is pretty cool. Most businesses you do. And we just have tasks we do, which makes it so nice. No worries, no stress, right? You just get up and do your task. And so I love what I do. So I want to share that with you in my beautiful rainforest today, because I definitely wanted to get a little glimpse of it, see what my life's like and what's going on with me. And I just really love you guys getting on. And I appreciate the support. And I'm going to let you go. Just hope you get on our webinar. You can register above in the link. And I hope to see you tonight. And thanks for joining me in my beautiful rainforest today. Appreciate you so much. So, bye from Alaska.